watching the game, calling the game. I noticed it. I went back and watched it. So you have 13 third downs for the Chargers. They're only 4 of 13. But on 4 of those third downs, they were an amoeba defense, meaning they don't have anybody in a three-point stance. It's 6, 7, 8 guys just milling around the line of scrimmage. And as a young quarterback, that is difficult because you don't know how to help with protections. You don't know where they're coming from. You don't know what coverage they're going to be in when we figure out who drops out. So with nobody in a three-point stance, they did it 4 times. In those 4 plays, one of them was a wide-open Keenan Allen, and Justin Herbert, even though he was protected, rushed the throw because he imagined pressure because it was confusing to him. So he rushed the throw as an incompletion. Another time, you had another incompletion. He had one completion which was short of the sticks. And then, so they've played man-free with this, Buck, every time. Amoeba, man-free on the back end. Well, the last time they did it, they played cover 3. So 3 deep, 4 underneath, and he throws the pick to Xavier Howard because his eyes are just locked in on the quarterback. So he sees that amoeba. He assumes he's going to get the man coverage because he's seen it all 3 times. They've done it earlier in the game, and all of a sudden, bam, they only rush 4. They're dropping 7, and they've got all those eyes on the quarterback, and Xavier Howard picks it off. I think it's a huge challenge for a young quarterback when you're seeing that. I mean, that's good luck.
Yeah, no, good luck, and it's really a brilliant strategy by Brian Flores and his defensive staff, because what the amoeba does, it makes it very, very tricky for the quarterback to set the point, meaning to identify who the Mike linebacker is and to direct the protection either to his side or away from his side. And when you bring the amoeba with nickel and dime personnel, the numbers all get jumbled because now you got 20s in the middle linebacker spot, you got 40s and stuff, and you just don't know who you're counting. And with the play clock going down, it just really increases the pressure that you sense. And then when you flip the coverage in the back end behind it, you talk about man free or cover 0 or cover 3. You're now asking the quarterback to do a lot in the pre-snap phase and even more in the post-snap phase, which is why we saw Justin Herbert have some mistakes because he just didn't know what was going on.